What's up, everybody? I'm Brett Blakemore from Summit Guitar School, and I hope you're having a great day. Today, I am going to teach you guys how to play You by Blanco. It's got Vance Joy and Marshmello on the track. The real reason I'm teaching it is because I like the Vance Joy vibe, and that's really it. I like the little fingerstyle thing that happens throughout the song, so I want to teach it to you guys because I'm sure there's going to be a bunch of people out there trying to learn it. I'll try to break it down in just a strumming version as well, in case you just feel like strumming through the song, but I'm going to show it the way I'm hearing it. And yeah, so let's get started on this song. It's going to be in the key of B. We're not going to use a capo for the actual recorded version. You will use a capo for the easier just strumming version. So I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. If you learned something, please consider liking and subscribing. Follow the links in the description. Go follow us on all the social media stuff. And I have a free strumming pattern course in the link below, as well as a beginner guitar essentials class that is literally awesome. If you need it, great. If you don't, send it to someone you might think does need it. So I appreciate the support. Also, check out our merch shop. There'll be a link below for that as well. Thanks for supporting the channel. Let's get started. All right, so let's break this down here. I'm going to give you guys the fingerstyle version, but if you'd rather do it with a pick, if that's easier, you can do that. I just know Vance Joy plays with his fingers most of the time. We will switch to a pick for the strumming thing. So, all right, we're going to outline a B major triad to start it out here. All right, so the first chord is a B. So we're going to go middle finger, 7th fret, 6th string, index, 6th fret, 5th string, and your pinky has to go on the 9th fret, 4th string. All right, this is just how I figured it out. If you found an easier way, congratulations. All right, so check it out. So I'm going thumb, index, middle, just like that. And then I'm going to an E major chord. And when I do that, I go, I'm holding my just a regular E, 2nd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th, index, 3rd string, 1st fret. But I'm going to pluck. So I'm going to go 6, 5, and then pluck the 3rd string. And I'm going to go thumb, thumb, middle for me. You could go thumb, thumb, index if you wanted. So I'm going, and then straight to like that. And then I'm going to go, I'm outlining another kind of a B major triad type of thing. All right, so this one's more of a true triad. So I'm going to go index on the 4th fret, 4th string, 3rd finger on the 6th fret, 5th, and then pinky on the 7th fret, 6th string. So just like that. And I'm going to go in middle, index, thumb. So, and that's that move. Boom. And then while I'm there, my 3rd finger stays and I do a hammer on from the 6th fret, or I'm sorry, 4th fret, 6th string, 5th string, my bad, 4th fret, 5th string to the 6th fret, 5th string. So, and I go hammer and then pluck back to that index. And I go my pinky back to that 7th fret, 6th string. So that all up to that point is you got, I'll play that again slowly. And then, all right, and then I do a G sharp minor bar chord. And I'm gonna go, I'm only gonna use my 3rd finger at the 6th fret, 5th string, and the index is gonna bar, mostly bar 6, 5, and 4, and 3. And I'm gonna go thumb, thumb, middle, just like that. All right, so up to this point, thumb, index, middle, thumb, thumb, middle, and then I'm going middle, middle, index, thumb. And then I use my index to pluck this. You could do for the hammer on, you could do your thumb. All right, but then you go to your G sharp minor bar, and I go thumb, thumb, middle. So 6th string, 5th string, 3rd string. All right, so, and then you go back to that E pattern. All right, so just like that. So you go, so after you get that, you go then back to the E pattern, and then you come back to this 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going index or middle, index, thumb, and then you go back to the 6th fret 5th string. So the whole thing there. All right, I'll do that again. All right, so that might be kind of tricky, you guys. I'm thinking about, wow, maybe there's an easier way to play it, but I figured it out real quick, so here we are showing it to you. And then, so that's your verse, like literally every single time, as well as your intro. Then you've got to be able to go to a G sharp minor again, and I'm plucking, it's like a G sharp minor 7, so I'm plucking 6, 4, 3, and 2. I'm going just like that. Thumb, index, middle, ring. And then I'm going, and I'm going to keep my bar down. I'm going to keep my bar down for a reason. I'll show you, because we're going to go G sharp minor 7th. Then I'm going to hammer from 3rd string, 4th fret to the 6th fret. So I'm going to go G sharp minor, and then I'm going to hammer on 4 to 6 on the 3rd string, my index on my right hand, and then middle finger plays 2nd string, 4th fret. And then I play a B over D sharp chord, all right? So my index now bars 4, 3, and 2 on the 4th fret, and my 3rd finger is going to play the 6th fret 5th string, all right? It's kind of hard. So you got 2, 3. You could get rid of the bar just for a second to give your hand a break. You go just like that. It's just easier for me to go. And then you go, this is kind of your typical pop music thing. You go C sharp minor, 4th fret 5th string, 5th fret 2nd string, and I'm just going to keep it simpler here just because we can. And then I'm going to slide up. I'm plucking thumb and middle, and then I'm going to slide up thumb and middle again, but 7th fret 5th string, 9th fret 2nd string. And then I'm going to pluck, go to an E shape, and then but I'm really only plucking 6 and 2. So that whole little, I guess you're going to call it the chorus. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, just like that. And then you go back, but he adds an extra little lick in there. So he goes G sharp minor, and then he plucks the 4th string. So thumb, index, middle again, 6, 4, 3, and 2. And then you go, I'm going to keep the bar, and you pluck your thumb on the 4th fret 4th string, and then your pinky on the 7th fret 2nd string. So it's, you can hear it in there. And then you do the same hammer-ons, 4 to 6, B over D sharp, and then you do 4 and 5 here, 5th string and 2nd, and then you come down 2 and 4. That's a B or root and 3rd, and then back to your E, which is 6th string, and then your index, and then you're open on the 2nd string. All right, the whole chorus now, because it is kind of hard. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, back to 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm gonna pick up a pick. If you don't want to, you don't have to. If you want to play with the pick with the whole thing, you can. You go G sharp minor, that strumming pattern, you can keep it simple. I'll tell you what I'm doing. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down. E, up, down, down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Kind of tricky, but down, 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 up, down, down. Get that? So down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down. B, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. B again. So you got the G sharp minor, or the minor 7. You got a regular E we already talked about. Now you got this B, bar chord central here. So to get that, you're going to put your 2nd finger on the 4th fret 4th string, 3rd finger 4th fret 3rd, pinky 4th fret 2nd, index is gonna bar. I don't like to bar the whole thing because it just starts to hurt, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna try to strum just 5, 4, 3, and 2. I don't care about this upper 5th up here that's happening. You're not really hearing it in the song anyways. There's no acoustic guitar there anyways. It's all kind of Marshmello pop thing. So down, 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 just like that. And then you've got another verse, chorus, and then the drop again that happens, which is the kind of dance drop thing. I'm going to call that section. So your intro is this, or your intro and verses, and then your chorus is that section, and then your drop is the full strumming on the bar chord type thing. And then your bridge, it goes to the pre-chorus. The bridge is like a pre-chorus, but it kind of changes, so it goes same thing to the B over D sharp, and then it goes C sharp, 4 on the 5th string, 2nd string, 5th. He walks it down to 5 or 2 and 4, and then the 6 and the 2nd string open. I like to hold this chord in case I hit a weird note in there, and you can just strum it to give it an extra flavor, get a fuller sound. But then, so that's kind of the bridge, and then he does it again, 2, 3, and he adds that part the second time. So, and then he walks it back down again. So he walks it down twice, and then back into the drop, which is the. If you get the strumming thing there, you can add an extra down up. So I showed you guys down, 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 down. But you could go down, 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 down. Another quick one if you're good enough to do it. So, and you should be. If you practice it, you'll be able to get it. Okay, so if you want to do just the strumming version and keep it really simple, you'll capo the 4th fret. We're still in the key of B, but now we can do all open chords. All right, so you got a G. All right, 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. All right. So, and then you've got a C, you got an E, a C is 3, 2, open, 1, open. You got an E minor, 0, 2, 2, open. I like the 3rd fret, 2nd string for that E minor 7th, it's kind of a cooler sound. And then, yeah. Then you've got a minor, open, 2, 2, 1, strum from the 5th string down. And that's all the chords for the open chord version. All right, so your intro and verse, I like to do just one strum each. So C, G, E minor, C, G, 3, 4, G, C, G, 2, 3, 4, E minor, C, G. Chorus is going to be E, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, A minor, C, C, 2, 3, and then you go again, E minor, and G, 2, 3, 4, A minor, G, C. All right, and then you can do the strumming thing at that point. All right, so that's like E minor, C, G, G, and that's the same strumming pattern, down, 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 G, down, 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 down. Once again, if you get it, you can, and you feel pretty good about it, you can add an extra down up. So that would be like down, 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 down. Oh, sorry, E minor first. So down, 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 down. And then the bridge is literally just E minor or E minor 7th, G, 2, 3, 4, A minor, G, C, and then your chorus, E minor, G, 2, 3, 4, A minor, G, C, and then back to your like drop that happens after that. And that's how you play this song.